What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got an exciting one. Today I got a banger. We're gonna be talking about a truck that I walked away from and I never really told you guys about it. So I look at you guys more as friends, family, not more of subscribers or fans. With that being said, I like to discuss everything with you guys. Like I said, I was gonna sell my truck. I told you guys before I did. What did you guys think? I listened for the most part, but when I started truck shopping, it was kind of in the moment. I didn't take as much time because I thought I knew what I wanted. I was dead set on getting a Trd Pro Toyota Tacoma because I wasn't too sure if I was gonna keep doing YouTube. I wasn't too sure if I was just gonna kind of stop doing YouTube because at the time I stopped uploading for like a month. So I was like, all right, you know what? I'll do YouTube every now and then, but I won't buy a truck necessarily for YouTube. So let me explain what I mean by that. I really wanted one with the snorkel. I know it's not as functional as Toyota makes it seem, but I just thought it was the coolest, most funniest gimmick and I really wanted it. So that meant I would have had to get a used one. And then when I saw the prices of a used one, I kind of just like, well, why don't I just get a brand new one? So I was set. I was like, fine, I'll either get a used one with low miles or a brand new one. Let me see what Toyota has. And I ended up finding one that I was pretty convinced on buying. What is crazy is that it's still online, $3,000 cheaper than what I was about to buy it for. So this is it right here. What do you think? It has some minor adjustments, minor modifications, like a K&N intake, and then I think definitely different wheels, definitely different tires, different headlights, and a couple changes to the grille. Because let's say I go out and I buy a Trd Pro. A Trd Pro is something that I feel like must not be messed with, must be left alone, in my opinion. It's just so nice. It's a Trd Pro. It's, in my opinion, if I saw a fully modified SR5, lifted, big tires, I mean, absolutely done up, and then a beautiful Trd Pro stock, I would still go and look at the Trd Pro completely stock. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a badge hunter. I don't know. Call me what you want. I felt kind of nasty, right? I didn't want to go and buy a Trd Pro because, well, we all know what I'm gonna end up doing. Changing the suspension, changing the wheels, changing the tires, changing absolutely everything about it, and spending all that money for no reason, if that makes any sense. So with an SR5, I don't feel as bad. It's still an amazing truck. It just doesn't have all the tricks and gimmicks from the factory. I didn't really need a locking rear differential, so I decided, well, not even get the off-road. And what's crazy is I was like, all right, cool, I'm gonna get an SR5. I'm super stoked, I'm super excited. Let's go to the dealerships and see what they got, because online they were pricing them like $200,000 above sticker, I guess to deter people. When I worked in sales, we would mark them below to bring people in the door, but now they're marking them up and still getting people in the door. We ended up going to a dealership and me and Sandy were browsing the lot and we knew what we were looking for and she was like, don't go crazy. We came across a Lunar Rock Trd Pro. It was beastie. I mean, it was perfect. They were selling it for like 48, 49,000 plus taxes, tags, and fees, of course. And I was so close. Me and Sandy sat there. We were looking over the numbers. We were thinking about it. We were so freaking close, and then we bailed. A couple days later, we saw this SR5, and well, this is exactly what we wanted, so we did it. We ended up with a 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 4x4, and I'm beyond happy. I feel like the SR5 is the perfect trim for anybody except for an extreme off-roader. This has 4x4, it has 4 tires, 4 doors, and a tailgate. I'm kidding. You don't break the bank with this truck. You get everything you need, and if you want to change it out, you can, because, well, you didn't spend extra money on the wheels, you didn't spend extra money on the headlight, if that makes any sense. In my opinion, I think I did a pretty good job. I think it was rather fair. I think I made the right decision. Let me know down below in the comment section, what do you think? Should I have gone with the Trd Pro, left it completely stock, and then just made random videos on it? Or is a build, blood, sweat, and tears put into this truck more of an experience, more something you guys would rather watch? In my opinion, I think it's cooler and it's gonna be more of an experience. And then when you tell someone, oh, it's an SR5, they kind of like step back like, oh, cool. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.